Hello, this is BoyoftheHoney, and this is a review on the USB-C hub adapter by dodocool. My item packaging rating is a 8.5. The item package size was a good size for the item. Now it's time to rip up the wrapper and see what's inside. Overall, the box looked sleek with the product name on top. And overall, it's a decent case for the adapter. This is a instruction manual, but no one really uses this anymore, but it could definitely come in helpful. It's just a overall look of the adapter with a warranty registration for the adapter. This adapter goes amazing with my space gray MacBook. I haven't had any problems with it getting dirty since its white spots, but it might have been from the packaging. For more information about the type of ports it has, look in the description, and don't forget to drop a like and subscribe. Thank you, and enjoy these last clips. The link for this item will be in the description. And this is the ports that it has, and on the side it has a HDMI.